Representative sampling. A question is asked here. What is the average height of the Mathley flower? To find the average height of the Mathley flower, we have decided to randomly select and measure the heights of 5 out of 10 plants. However, we would still like a random sample, but some of the plants are in the sun and some are in the shade. The plant's location will affect its growth height. So we need to figure out a way to still fairly take a sample and keep it random. To ensure that the sample represents the entire population of plants, we will split the plants into 2 strata, or groups, one being sun and the other being shade. The plants are now randomly selected from each strata, proportional to the number of plants in each strata. For instance, we will sample 2 from the sun and 3 from the shade to make up a sample of 5. The number of plants in each To do this, you take the number of plants in each strata, then use number cubes, a spinner, or random number generator, or pick numbers from a hat to determine the random sample. This is an example of representative or stratified sampling.